Aspen.
And today we're doing a fidget opening video and reviewing. And we're so excited. Okay, so before we start,
I'm so excited.
So before we start, make sure to come subscribe if you're already. Click that bell so you miss none of my new videos. So let's get into it. Looks like a freaking elf.
Guess what? Okay.
What? Ah, what happened?
Okay, so in my mom's
Oh, I forgot to put lotion right here. Whatever.
in my mom's house, at my mom's house, we have this pile of sticks. I don't know, and I fell into it. Yeah. I save a ball. Okay, let's get started. Do you just randomly want to close your eyes and pick something?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, the rainbow pop is so pretty.
No, we're doing the rainbow poppet first.
Yeah.
That's so
That looks so
soft. I think that's the bad side. That was the bad side. Your turn.
Okay.
Dude, it's so soft. This is the bad side.
Oh my gosh, it's like fluffy.
Dude,
Why is it fluffy?
That's the bad side. It's so good, huh?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it feels like not strong.
I'm so excited.
It feels like not strong. Do you feel
Feels good,
this?
but watch.
Yeah.
Go in the back, right there.
This is so different.
Dude, this is
Oh my
so
gosh.
pretty, guys. Oh my gosh.
Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, my turn to pick, and I'm gonna pick this little pop.
Yes, here. But oh yeah, I was gonna get scissors or whatever.
Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for these things. I'm so excited for everything.
Oh,
put
it's a
the keychain on.
chain.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, you should put this on your backpack so you can.
That was so good. I barely even touched it. Watch, the good side's so good, and then watch the bad side.
That's the good side.
I know.
Let me try.
I just said the good side. Oops. Still good though. Watch.
Oh my gosh, I barely touched it.
Okay, let's do the DNA ball.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Not good, but you know what I mean.
Yeah. It's so
How do you put this in?
Wait, I don't think this is a normal one, but look how cool this is.
Yeah, it doesn't look like a normal one.
Look how the heck, look at that. Do you know there's nothing in here? There's just balls.
That's so. I thought there was this goo or something.
Dude. Okay, I don't think this is a normal DNA ball, but look how cool it is. Look, it's stretchy.
Okay, I
Look
can't
at
put
that.
the keychain on though.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Feel that.
This feels like it's paper.
I feel like that's not a real.
Oh my gosh.
I feel like that's not a real one, but it's actually, I think it is.
Why does this remind me of Fruit Loops?
No, it is, but dude, that's so.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Marble mesh.
Oh my gosh, I've always wanted to try one of these.
Oh, those are bright green. I think that I got other colors. Wait, these are the colors? I feel like no
Oh my
way.
gosh.
I did not get the same ones as it. Whatever. I think they did it wrong, but whatever.
I don't know how to use these.
Look at.
Yeah,
like-
I know. Oh my gosh.
Okay,
After this, we should do fidget trading.
like fake fidget trading.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at how good this
A
is.
wacky tacky or
A
whatever.
wacky track.
Wacky.
Wait, but I don't think this is they're not the same colors
Color,
and
yeah.
stuff. They're not the same colors as I bought it. You know?
It's better
Honestly,
than
I don't
nothing,
care.
though. Yeah.
Honestly,
It
I
was
don't-
red and blue, right?
well, some of the things, yeah.
It was red and blue.
Whatever.
Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Why is this so
We should do an
satisfying?
ASMR with these one time. Mochis.
Venice.
What the frick is this? Dude, these are not the mochis I got.
You got
I'm pretty sad about
this
that.
is cute.
I'm kind of mad because I didn't get the things that I actually got. See, what?
Oh my gosh, feel its head.
Oh, these are glow in the dark.
Feel its head.
Feel
its head.
Frick. Guys.
What? This isn't this
Wait, I don't think
this
these
is just a balloon.
I don't think these are the things I got.
This is just a balloon.
Guys, these are not the right things I got, at least. But I know I got all these things, but I don't think they're the right style as I got them. You know? No, watch. No. Look.
Look at this. It broke.
Okay. These are Neatos.
Oh, I thought Neatos
Not
have
Neatos.
a thing.
These are Wobbles.
Oh, so I'm Neatos have oh my gosh, I want one of these.
These are so good. Watch. They're glow in the dark ones.
Oh my gosh, why is that so satisfying? Oh my
Oh,
gosh,
I
I
should
really
show
want to try. No, these were green. Remember, they were green, blue, purple, and
Honestly, I'm glad still, you know?
I know, but these were a different color.
These are also different colors, but okay.
And you didn't get 2 greens, remember?
I got like a. Okay, so give me all these.
Oh my gosh, feels weird.
Look at your globbles. Look.
Oh my gosh, those things. Sorry, can I try one?
No, wait for me. Oh yeah, they're hard. Ready, you guys?
I don't know how to do this. They're like little heads. Oh my gosh, they're little faces. Why is this like?
It's really hard. Watch, the other ones don't have faces. Look.
Oh my gosh, only the middle one does.
These are baby ones.
There's bigger ones?
This is kind of hard to pop.
This
Like
is like one.
the middle one's not at all. But
Yeah, this.
I'm so glad though.
Can I want to try one of these.
I know they're really nice.
What does it do? You just do this. It hurts.
No, it doesn't. Sorry.
Can I just try one of these? I've been waiting my whole life. Oh my gosh. My gosh.
I'm sure you can do with them like this.
Can I have one of these?
No.
There's 4 of them.
I know. But
You told me when we bought this package that I could have one.
not of these.
Yeah, of these.
I said no, not of these.
No, you said of this
No,
and
I
one
didn't.
Nito.
No, I didn't. I never
Or
said that.
Sorry, not a Nito. This thingy.
No, I
No, not
never
that
said.
thingy. Not. Yeah, you said these though. You said,
No, I didn't.
you said
I
you could
know.
have one of these.
No, I said one of these.
Oh. Yeah, that and this.
Like,
You have 4 of them. You'll have 3 left.
ready? Okay, so these are not like the right things I got. Like, I mean, I got these, but like not in the same style. You know?
What is this?
You know, but I'm super excited. You know, give me that bike chain. Look at that. Look at that. Look at.
Okay, ready? Oh my gosh, I would love this. Look at my nail, Cardi B. Cardi B.
Cardi B would be like.
Oh my gosh, I almost said it. Whoops.
Guys, what? Big bad buses?
No, I said the other one that we thought it was.
Hey guys, so I'm still excited. I didn't get the right colors or right style, but honestly, it's okay because I'm super excited for all the things I got. You know, I'm
Yeah.
so grateful. Like, not kidding. I'm so. These aren't. No, these don't hurt. They're so nice.
They're weird.
You like those, huh?
This is my favorite thing.
You can get a yellow one. Actually, no, you get a pink one because yellow is my favorite color.
It is?
Yeah. Now it's my favorite color. These are my favorite colors. So, what I got.
Well, I made you a bracelet and I used like a dark blue, a light blue, and a white because I thought you liked those colors.
No, I like those.
You don't like
You guys
royal
also
blue?
look at. So I love. Do you want to try this?
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for you.
Hey, at least I gave you some. I'm gonna give you some.
Landy, look it. Landy. Cardi B. Oh.
Cardi B be
No, Cardi B.
Hi, bees. Hi, bees.
No, Cardi B trying to get her cat's attention. What are you doing? What are you doing? And she'd be like, come on, yeah.
I want you to pop it again.
It literally feels like paper.
No, it doesn't.
Well, kind of. Like, it's very soft, like, very thin.
Honestly, I'm glad I got this because it's honestly
Yeah.
so good.
Oh, look at the sides.
Cool. Oh yeah, the sides are really cool. I really wanted a rainbow one and I wanted all these poppets so badly.
And she has a bag to put it all in, which is really cool, too.
My mom's here.
And we have, like,
Mommy!
little friends.
We're doing a video.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Here. Hold on. Anyway, I'll talk to you one second.
Okay.
Friends on Facebook.
Where did you go to Waterworld by yourself?
Right.
With my auntie, obviously.
Oh. I thought you went with your mom. Ready? I was gonna
Yeah, I
say.
just walked here.
Okay, can I try, what's the thing? Oh, this. Okay, what is infinity cube?
Oh, I have another marble mesh.
Oh.
Oh, another mochi.
Found.
Look at that one. Come, I got so many things.
Look how cute this mochi is.
It's so soft. How cute is
Oh,
it?
his little nose.
Honestly, let's open up all our. Whoa, look at that. Fill that part. Wow. Look how cute. Dude, I'm so glad I got all this. Here, let's open everything.
Okay.
I'm so excited that I got Globbles.
This is like a, I don't even know what this is. It's like part dinosaur, part flamingo, part elephant, part rooster.
I'm so
chicken.
excited that I got Globbles. I
Come-
wanted Globbles.
Oh, this is a chicken. Like a bird, like a type of bird.
Look at, I wanted Globbles.
This is a type of bird.
Guys, I wanted Globbles. Try them.
Can I try your puppet when you're done?
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This
You
little-
know, people now in fidget trading, have you seen those paper ones? They're like,
Yeah.
I kind of want to do that.
Globbles with mochis.
Oh my gosh, what if these had those in them? That'd be weird.
There's
But
some
kind
that
of
has
cool.
these.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my gosh, so cute. I love this one. It's so adorable.
I know,
So
me
soft.
too. That's probably my favorite one.
I like this one.
I like all three of those. That one, I don't know what's happening.
I don't know.
I'm sorry.
Also
buddy.
this pop. Dude, guys,
That
I'm
is so cool.
excited.
Like, you need to put that on your backpack. Oh my gosh, look,
I
it's
barely
three of them. Three.
Dude, I barely even tapped them. Look. Look, I barely even tapped them. Look. Let's get out. Wow.
Can I try your puppet?
Why don't you try this?
I did. I already did that. A lot.
Like, I think we like 35 and others. But,
So this is-
Hi, honey. I'm like, yeah, Tiana was laughing because it was
Oh
like.
my gosh,
texting
this
there.
is so
She's like,
thin.
oh my gosh,
I
can you
love
imagine
hot
going on a date that is
No, you want me to do
younger
a
than
video?
me? I was like, oh my gosh.
Doing a video, Ma.
Your hair still smells like chlorine. Did you wash it good? It smells like chlorine.
I think I did.
I don't think you did. It smells like chlorine. Did you wash your hair?
Mhm.
Are you sure?
Yeah, but it smells like chlorine, but who
Oh,
cares?
Um,
Mommy, look at how cool these are. Wait, one
I was
second.
like, yeah, that's a little too old. I'm a little too old for you.
This is so cool.
Mommy, watch. Ready?
Am I what?
Mom, watch.
Look at his little head. Look, ready?
Mommy, look.
Ready?
I like this. I like this bike chain.
Oh, I haven't tried that yet.
Try it. Try it. Tried it. Try it. I like.
I'm gonna ask my dad to get this now.
Well, okay. So
Oh my gosh, what if I got?
I'm giving you.
No, like I'm not. Well, I'm not gonna ask my dad actually to get fidgets, because I can just come over to your house and be like,
Guys, look it.
oh my gosh, make all of them. Make all of them. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's
I wanted
cool.
Wobbles so
Guys,
bad.
this is really cool.
I think the D9 ball looks a little different. Honestly,
Yeah.
I didn't like get the right things, but honestly, I'm so glad for what I got. I'm really glad. I'm actually really glad though.
Oh my gosh, this is so satisfying.
This is so satisfying.
I can be here like all day. Like this is so
fidgeting.
satisfying.
But fidgeting's what I do. And what to love, I saw my fidgets, I'll explode all over you. I got it out. Look, I got him out.
Oh my gosh.
I should draw faces on it. I'm kidding.
Okay, look, you take one. And you just like do that and you just go.
I'll explode my fidgets, I'll explode all over you. Okay, guys, so we're gonna do a view of the fidgets. We'll do a second video with all my other fidgets I haven't showed you guys.
Yeah, and we'll do fidget.
I got a new fidget. Really?
And
I
we're
got a
gonna.
couple new fidgets.
And
I
we're
like
also gonna
Wobbles
do
so-
fidget trading, so stay tuned for that.
Oh wait, they're glow in the dark. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
Wait, I don't think they're dark, but
We're gonna bring you guys along.
look, you can always see it.
Yeah.
We're gonna go in my closet so you can see.
Yeah. You want me to shut the door?
They should be glow in the dark. Look at that.
Here, just close your door. Ready?
Here, ready?
I don't know if you guys can see. Oh my gosh, they're glow in the dark. They are. I don't think you guys can see though. Oh my gosh, they're actually glow in the dark, but I don't
get out.
think you guys can see. Oh my gosh, they're actually glow in the dark. That's so cool.
I told you.
Oh my gosh, did you get a new bed cover?
No, I've had that.
Oh, because you usually put it the other way. Okay.
Okay, so for the bag, they mixed out the bag for Simple Dimple, and they get Simple Dimple.
It's okay.
Honestly, they came in different like colors and stuff, but honestly, I'm so glad.
You love those.
Globbles are so much fun. I wanted globbles so bad. Pop tubes are so much fun. Oh my gosh, look at me. Hi, bees. She'd be like this. She's like, hello, bees. Hello. Hello, bees.
She's not actually saying it, guys.
Let's go, bees.
She's not actually saying it.
I said bees, not actually.
She said beige or something. Oh my gosh, look.
I said bees.
Look at
bees.
Look at. They're little like, what do you call
She like
them?
my nail? Cardi B would have this nail.
Literally, she actually would though.
Yeah. We should pop all of them out and then.
Oh, sorry.
And then watch. Give me your nail. Cardi B, give me your nail. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, that was my middle one. I thought that was this one.
This 21-year-old guy wants me to go out on a date with him. He's 21.
I was doing
What?
Yeah.
what?
Also, I'm doing a video
Yeah.
also, Mom, so you're fine.
21.
What about that other guy? Guy with the hat, and he sent you a video on Facebook. You're like, no. Yeah. Oh.
You're gonna get like, you're driving me nuts.
I told him,
Fidget
yeah,
toys.
and I told him, I was like, dude, I can't date a guy that is younger than my son.
He's younger than
No,
your
he's
son.
not.
Or as young as my son.
That guy?
Yeah.
He's hot though.
Yeah, but he's 21.
Yeah.
Can you imagine if I went out with a 21-year-old?
Wait, how old?
I'm 45.
Not to ask.
Oh, no, I don't care.
Oh yeah.
She's 45.
I'm not trying to be rude. My mom's the same age, but
Yeah, her mom's the same age.
Like, he is freaking hot.
He's so hot.
he is. But like the age, like if he was
Age
like,
difference.
I'm going to
bruh.
ask him, like, what does a hot guy, what does a young, hot guy like you really want to
He'd be like, you're so pretty. You want long nail? You want long nail?
You need to put away all your messes or you're not going anywhere.
Mom, I'm doing this real
Are you
quick.
guys not going anywhere now?
and
We're
we're not
going
going
to
to the
Chinese
mall,
food.
but we're gonna go get Chinese.
Like,
We're
we're gonna
not.
sit down?
Like down the like. Okay, you know.
Are we gonna sit down at the place?
No, we're just gonna get it to
Then
go.
why aren't we going to the mall? Can we please go?
Where is it at?
It's like okay, not this King Supers, but like there's another King Supers by the CVS pharmacy. You know that one?
Down that way?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Mhm.
I never can find good Chinese food.
Yeah, it's good. And I mean, it depends. It can be good though.
This guy's crazy.
Did you spawn? Yeah, it's just like down the street from there. So
Haha. I go, what is a guy like? He goes, I mean, I get how you feel, haha. I just prefer older women. Girls my age are children. I can't talk to them. It's like babysitting, but I have to buy dinner.
Look what I'm doing.
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys, look at Venice.
Yeah. Mommy. So with these fidget toys, I did not get the right color or style, but I like them, you know?
Very good.
So I don't really care, you know? Because
You know?
I like them.
You know? You know?
I don't feel these. These are actually soft.
She goes,
Yeah, so it was weird to me.
Venice. Vanilla.
Ow!
Ready?
Ready?
Catch it.
wash them, right? Yeah. Look, ready. Throw them off the shirt. Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys. I'm getting attacked by whatever those things are called.
Menace, you need help clean up all your messes right now.
Thank you
Peace
guys
out, bro.